here at our technology evening taking place in Pune. We were really happy to welcome so many guests here showing sophisticated solution together with our partner Renishaw, Hypermill and Kennametal. So we could welcome already known customers from the automotive sector and aerospace industry, but also new prospects from die and mold and general engineering.
Today we have the event with the GROB Machine Tool, and our product name is a Hypermill and the company name is OpenMind. So we have the complete full-flange, full-blown CAM system, which we are going to highlight in today's event, how it will be useful for improve the productivity and do the critical parts on 5-axis machines.
As you all know, it is a little complex, wherein you have a lot of influence, related to the machine, the material, and the tools, of course. So here we are today to provide a very comprehensive outlook on our new products and, the sustainable tooling solutions for aerospace.
Our co-founder, late Sir David McMurtry, invented the first dust trigger probe, and that is what we are demonstrating here. Our spindle probes, our tool setters go on the GROB machines, and they help you to control your processes, of course measure your parts, set your tools, and help you produce the parts first time right.
We are looking forward to organize such events in the future as well. So we want to thank you to our partners and also to the participants for this event. Thank you.